Hey guys, Bill here, Jagged Offroad. Got something really exciting to talk to you guys about. We've been planning, or we've been talking about doing this for quite some time, but I don't know if you guys, if anybody out there is familiar with the Arizona Peace Trail. Arizona Peace Trail has been around for quite some time now, and it is a combination of trails and roads. It makes a giant loop, basically covering all the cool places in the western part of Arizona. So it's been around since about 2013. It was an effort between the Bureau of Land Management and Arizona Game and Fish Department to provide OHV enthusiasts with a trail system, or part of a trail system anyway. I'm sure it's going to expand from here, but we went to ArizonaPeaceTrail.org. That's the first place we started our planning, all of our planning stuff, and we came up with the Arizona Peace Trail Atlas. And so we signed up for this and purchased this online. You can purchase it online, and there is just an enormous amount of information in this book, which we are now in the process of digesting and sort of planning it out. The trail is a big loop, so you can go in either direction. You can go from the middle to the other end, or you can do it in sections. So as we plan this, we're gonna plan this out in sections. We're gonna do it all at once, but we're gonna plan it out in sections, and we'll take you through how this book works here, and some of the information in here as we get our planning underway. We finally picked the date, and we have got an invite list, and some friends of ours from Texas are coming out here, and a couple friends from here in Arizona, and we're going to put together this trip, and we are super excited. What we want to do is we kind of want to share with our audience. We want to share the planning stages and some of the prep stages that go into a trail like this, because this is going to be a week-long deal. We're going to be on the trail for 6 or 7 days, and it's going to be, there's a lot of work, a lot of planning goes into this, and we kind of want to have you guys follow through with the, all the stages that go into this, and then of course we'll take you along on the trail too, and show you what we see, and talk about a lot of different things in Arizona. So I hope you guys are going to be following along with this big adventure that we're planning here, and you're going to get to meet the people that are going on the trip, get to see some of their vehicles and what they're going to do to get their vehicles ready, and we're going to walk you through all that, and you're going to get hopefully a lot of information that's going to help you to be able to maybe navigate this trail someday, or a part of it if you want. And we're just excited to do it, and to share the experience with everybody.